Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah. Did you, my love?
Yeah. I'm ready for a new day.
A new day?
Yeah. Look out of the window. The sun is shining. We can take Leslie to the park.
It sounds wonderful. But maybe my parents could take Leslie and then we can have the whole day together. Just the two of us.
I'm so in love. We've been together for like 6 years, and we have just adopted our little son, Leslie. He's now 8 months. He's the most beautiful baby ever. Everything is just so perfect. I can't describe how happy I am. Oh my god, Karen, he walks. Karen, he walks.
Oh gosh, Bunny. I really love her, but sometimes she drives me crazy. We have been together for like 4 years or something. Ever since we got the baby, she has put all her attention on Leslie and not me. But it's okay, I got some space now.
My little handsome prince. Oh, can you say mommy? Oh, can you say mommy? Oh.
Bunny, are you coming?
Yeah, 2 seconds. I have to get him in his clothes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Of course you do.
Oh my god, Leslie. What's wrong? Oh, yeah.
Please shut up, Leslie. I'm gonna kill that baby.
Did you say something, honey?
No, I'm just talking to myself.
Okay, darling.
Hello, my little sunshine.
Hello, Mom.
I was talking to Leslie, but have a nice day. Have a nice day. I'll take care of Leslie. And say hello to Bunny from me. Bye.
Thank you. I will.
Hey, honey.
I should say hello from my mom.
Oh, nice. Where do you want to go?
What about Taco Bell?
We could do that, but we could also go to the city and find a nice restaurant there.
Yeah, sure. We could do that.
It's going to be so lovely, honey. This has been the best day ever.
Sure it has, honey. I love you.
I love you too. Good night.
Good night.